Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn about the envelopes and the labels in MS Word. So what is the use of envelope? It allows you to easily create and print the envelope based on address you insert in your letter. And the labels is the great tool for printing a sheet of labels. First we will see about the envelopes. Both envelope and the label option is available in the mailing tab. If you click on the mailing tab, you can see here envelopes. So now if you want to create an envelope, what you have to do, you have to select the address like this, or you can also type over there that is a delivery address, and this is your return address. So if your letter is not delivered to this address, it will be returned to this address. Now here you can see the preview of your envelope. So one option is there, like if you want to change the size or like this, you can change it from here. So if you click over there, it will give you a preview like this. So if I want to select it like this, it will give the preview over here, and you have to just click OK. And the font you can also select from here, that is a delivery address, and this is for the return address. So as per your requirement, you can select the font like this, and you can bold and italic, or you can increase the font like this. Then if you want to insert a color, you can also insert color. If you want underline, small cap, strike through, whichever you want you can use, and click OK. This is what we have done. Now how far you want from the left side or the right from the top, this also can be changed by using this from left and from top. And for return address also, it is giving option like this one. If you are using any of this option, and font color, if I want like this or this one, you can use the underline, strike through, and click OK. Again you click OK after doing all the changes. Click OK and add to the document. Now here you can see a envelope is created. This is your address where you want to send. If this on this address that letter doesn't go, it will again return back to this address. This is the way to create an envelope. Next one is how to create the labels. Now if you want to create a label, you have to take a text like this, click on that. Now here you have inserted a address or the text which you want as your label. Then you have to click on the options. Here there is options available, multiple options available. Whenever you click on the options, you can see the height and the width and the page size. Now if I want to create a 30 per pages, then click OK, and you have to click over here new document. Once you click on the new document, it will create like this. So if you think this is not proper, then again you can create. Just click over here, click on the labels, click on the options, and 1/4 letter or something like that, click on the OK, and again you can click on the new document. Now here you can see it has created a label like this. So by using this label you can uh, create a multiple things. Like if you want to stick this label on some another document or somewhere else, you can also use this. Now if you want to make a changes in this label, you can change one by one. You have to just delete it, and you can type whichever thing you want in that label, and whichever text it is written over there, it will get printed. So that and labels will be useful if you want to make a stickers or something like that, which is used for the sticking purposes. So that is the use of labels. So in this video what we have learned, how to create envelopes and how to create the labels. Thank you.